Of all the animals that live on our planet, one extraordinary group dominates. It has produced the largest, the blue whale, the fastest, and the most intelligent creatures that have ever lived. They're known as the vertebrates, and they all share one vital feature: a backbone. Now I want to travel back in time to explore their ancient origins and investigate the key advances that led to their amazing success. Advances that can also reveal how we came to acquire the characteristic features of our own vertebrate bodies. Jaws that bite, lungs that breathe, ears that can hear. Because the story of the rise of animals is also the story of how you and I came to be as we are. I will find evidence in a series of spectacular fossil discoveries around the world and within living animals. There's it. With the latest scientific analysis, we can bring our ancient ancestors back to life and understand how, over 500 million years, they developed the bodily features needed to master the seas, colonize the land, and take to the skies. This is the story of the rise of animals. I have long wanted to see this sensational evidence for myself. I will be traveling to the frozen north of the country and to the capital, Beijing. But to search for the first step in our journey, I'm heading south to Yunnan province. This is the site of a thrilling discovery that has given us new evidence for the very first vertebrates. Excavators here are exposing a rich seam of rocks known as the Chongjiang fossil beds. Remarkably, they contain the remains of creatures that once swam in the ancient seas 525 million years ago.